We're going to talk about applications using division. So when a division problem has a remainder, there are several ways to write the answer. You can write with the remainder as a mixed number or as a decimal number. How a division answer should be written depends upon the question to be answered. In a real-world application, we sometimes need to round an answer up, and we sometimes need to round an answer down. So we're going to look at some division problems today. We're going to figure out if we're going to have to round how we need our remainder. So the first example says 100 students are to be assigned to 3 classrooms. How many students should be in each class so the numbers are as balanced as possible? So all we're going to do is we have 100 kids. We're going to divide by the 3 classrooms. So I do my division. Okay, now I have a remainder of 1. Okay, so I have 33. We're just going to write remainder of 1 for now. Okay. So what I'm saying is that if I put 33 students into each of the classrooms, okay, I'm going to have 1 left over. Now, I can't just leave a student out, so I'm going to have to put that 1 into another classroom. So instead of one of them having 33, this is now going to have 34. So how many should be in each class so there's balance as possible? Our answer would be 33, 33, and 34 students. So there we had that remainder 1. We had to add it to one of the classes. Here's some more examples. Matinee movie tickets cost $8. Jim has $30. How many tickets can he buy? If we're going to take our 30 divided by 8. Okay, notice we have a remainder of 6. And so how many tickets could we buy? Well, we can only buy 3 tickets because we don't have enough to buy any more, and you can't buy part of a ticket. So our answer there, we just take off the remainder and leave it. 15 children need to ride to the fair. Each car can transport 4 children. How many cars are needed to transport 15 children? Okay. So if 15 need to ride, each car can transport 4 children. So we're going to take 15 divided by 4. Okay, here I have a remainder of 3. Okay. So I need 3, and it could be 3/4 cars if I did a fraction. But I can't have 3/4 of a car. So in this case, I have to round up. Okay, because if I put it as a fraction, I can't have that 3/4 of a car. Okay, those 3 children need to fit in a car somewhere. So we're going to have to add another car. So in order to transport 15 children, we're going to need 4 cars. Dale cut a 10-foot board into 4 equal lengths. How long is each of the 4 boards? So 10 divided by 4. Okay. Now, if you think about it, we're going to need to put this in a fraction or decimal. And usually when we're talking about wood or lengths, we can just put it into a fraction and we put it into a fraction. So you get 2 2/4. It's going to equal 2 1/2. My label is feet. Okay? So we need the fraction there because we need that part of the board. Okay? Where the other parts we didn't need the remainder, kind of had to round up or down to figure out what we needed. One more example for you. It says Kimberly is on the school swim team. At practice, she swam the 50-meter freestyle 3 times. Her times were 37:53, 36:90, and 36:63. It says what was the mean of her 3 times? Okay, remember to find the mean or the average. We're going to add them up, divide by how many numbers we have. 6. Okay, so you get 111.06. So I need to divide by 3 now. Remember, my decimal is going to go straight up. Okay, since I brought that 0 down, I need to put a number up there. It's going to be a 0. Bring the 6 down. Okay. So in this case, my time comes out just perfect. You had to keep it in a decimal because it started in a decimal. Okay. And I need a label 37.02 seconds. And so when we're doing this practice set, figure out if we need to round up, round down, if we need to take it out, if we need to put in a fraction or a decimal. Okay? So go ahead and do these division problems. Make sure if you have any questions, you bring them to class.